Alright guys, here we are at the potato party. Look at all the potato lovers behind me. We've got 6 different types of potato, as well as some kuih, which is some potato-inspired dessert items on the menu. All of the potatoes are grown locally here in Malaysia and harvested around this time of year because it's monsoon season. So I guess it's a monsoon potato party. What could be better than that? We've even got a special cooking demonstration coming up. Hoping I can convince Ivana to do the cooking for the demonstration.
Monsoon potato party.
Ready to eat, quite hungry, but first things first, let's meet the potatoes.
Ready, set, go!
That's a party.
Okay.
Look at all these potato products. We've made tons of different potato dishes here. Some of them
Yeah.
are sweet, some of them are savory, some of them are fried, some of them are baked. But first, the cooking demonstration.
Okay.
Ivana, maybe you should help out the demonstration. Ivana should cook.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, good job, Alex.
One of the things that we'll eat today is kuih keria, which is like the Malaysian donut. It's from one of the potato, keledek, yellow keledek potato. So we got oil, potato, and sugar.
And I think there's one sample donut on top.
Yeah, so it's gonna be like that.
Yeah, and we'll maybe fry it right here.
Deep fry it, yeah. And we're gonna have other kuih and potatoes on the table. I think the party is gonna start soon. Let's go.
Awesome.
Okay, first step, take this piece and make a ball. Oh,
Like a donut.
Oh, very slick.
This one.
That's how you make a donut.
wow.
Baby donut.
Baby donut.
Good one.
Not as pretty, but it's alright.
Yours is a bit lopsided.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Ta-da!
It's supposed to be it looks more like a capital D, but that's okay. Oof. Okay, there you have it.
Second attempt.
Second attempt. So what would the name for this be again? Kuih?
Kuih keria.
Kuih keria.
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 This one.
Okay.
Yeah, make the hole with one hand maybe.
Okay, with one hand.
Yes. Yes.
And?
A bit lopsided.
Okay, I'll make it pretty. Come on. Little hole. Okay.
Okay, that's good. That worked.
Put slowly.
Put slowly.
Oh no, it's not in. Yours was just on the beach.
Yes.
It's gotta go in the ocean.
One more,
babe.
one more.
Okay, one more.
I want to make a perfect donut.
Okay. Look at all the potato lovers getting their shots. Licking their lips for our potato feast.
Okay?
Okay. Okay. This. Okay. Hold and okay.
Can I see the two donuts, finished products in your hand? Oh, Ivana, yours is a bit
Yes.
amateur.
Yes.
Can I see yours? See, this one looks so nice, Ivana.
Come on.
Yes.
Similar.
Yes.
Yes. She said yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Fair.
Okay.
Okay. Woohoo.
Ivana's is still on the beach again. Put that one in the ocean. There you go. That's a nice sight. Come on, look at that.
Okay.
Oh, look at the camera's getting oily from all the steam.
I'm sure it'll taste good later.
Good job, Ivana. You're done?
Yeah.
You made 3.
Yeah.
Look at all the paste left. Okay, good job, Ivana. Are you ready to eat some potatoes?
Yay.
Let's go eat some potatoes. Thank you very much.
Thank
Terima
you.
kasih. Terima kasih. All right, guys, the potato party has begun. Look at my plate. It looks like an absolute masterpiece. It looks like Picasso or something. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different potato dishes and a cup of coffee. What could be better than that?
Itik.
So these 3 go together.
Yeah.
This is what you're telling me. Same potato, different color.
Yeah.
These are simply
No, this
boiled.
one is the itik. Duck potato.
Duck.
Yeah.
Orange is the best one. I could go for a glass of water though. So this is called Rhinoceros Potato. Not a lot going on with that. Basic potato. Kind of good though. It's pretty good. This will go good with a half a pound of salt.
How about cassava?
This one looks sweet. Cassava? Very good.
It's good in the inside though, no? How about the other cassava?
I think I have too much potato in my mouth and my body. I need a 5-minute break. I need your turn, Ivana.
Alright.
Oh, I'm so slow. Alright guys, we've moved to a secret location because we felt nervous eating all these potatoes and talking about the potatoes.
Alright, so the same type of potatoes that Steve had. Look at that. So first thing first, the purple potato.
Purple potato.
I like the consistency. It's a little bit starchy than normal potato. And a little bit sweet. That one is good.
It's a little bit sweet, is right. It has some flavor in there. I feel
Yeah.
like normal potato has no flavor at all.
That's true. That's true. And this one looks like a sweet potato. It's the yellow keledek.
This is what I would say is my favorite.
I
terms of-
agree.
Yeah.
This one is so sweet. Different consistency than the purple one. This one is a bit more harder. And the purple one is a bit more starchy.
Wow, you're so smart, Ivana. I couldn't think of any of those words when I eat food.
And this is the itik, the duck potato. It's so cute. Look at it. It's so small. This one is really small.
Oh, duck potato?
Yeah.
To
I
me,
don't
this
know why.
one will make your mouth dry.
Look, it has hair. Oh. I don't know if you're supposed to eat the skin.
Really?
Are you supposed to eat the skin?
I ate a bunch of skin already.
I love this one.
Really? Whoa, that was one I thought was kind of gross.
This one is also starchy. Really good.
Your mouth is so smart.
This one, the itik one, the consistency is similar to the purple one, except the purple one is a little bit sweeter, but the yellow one is the sweetest one so far.
Why did I go first? I had nothing to say. All I said was, this one's pretty good. Oh, that one's not bad. Ivana is the one who knows about flavors. Do you hear what she just said? That's incredible. I could have ate 2,500 potatoes. I wouldn't get those words out of my head. Incredible. Back to the show, everybody.
So this one is the badak potato, the Rhinoceros potato. It was big and huge. We saw it yesterday when we were buying some potatoes on the side of the roadside stall. And when Steve tried and I tried like raw cassava for the first time in our lives. Wow, that was cool. Anyway, let's try this one. Wow. You know what? This reminds me of normal potato, but it tastes so much better. The bite is like normal potato. Like, what do you have? What kind of potato do we have in Canada?
I have no idea. I would call it normal
Golden,
potato.
golden Yukon or something.
Oh, sounds right.
Yukon potatoes. That's the kind of potatoes we have in Canada, and this reminds me of that, but it's just so much better.
More flavorful, right? I feel like our potatoes are super bland.
Yeah,
By the way, most food outside of Malaysia is not as flavorful.
that's right.
This is
one,
the land of flavorful food.
This one is just steamed or boiled, and they didn't put any spices or anything, and it tastes so good. It tastes amazing. I could just eat this by itself without any other dish around. Like, I could just pack this for lunch. Pack some potatoes, some badak rhinoceros potatoes for lunch, and I'll be good.
Really?
Yeah,
That's taking it a bit far.
it's
Ivana.
so good.
You wouldn't put any salt in there?
No, just by itself.
Wow.
It's amazing.
Okay, move into the
This
sweet
is
ones.
my favorite one so far.
Really?
The rhino potato, my favorite
Oh,
one
wow.
by
I
far.
thought both white ones were plain, and I was going all orange. Might have been psychological. The orange color looks more yummy, so maybe I just thought that.
Okay, the fried. I think this is the same as this one.
Yeah, this
The
one got some
purple potato,
fried stuff
but it's
on it.
fried. Okay, this one is like the Japanese food. When you have sushi, you have tempura. This is like tempura.
Oh, good one, Ivana.
This
like
is exactly
tempura.
like tempura.
Plus, the purple color is so appealing. You know, it looks yummy. The white is so plain, isn't it? Like white rice, plain. White potato, plain. White bread, plain.
True, and it's not good for you.
Yellow potato, nice. Purple potato, ooh.
Okay, so cassava.
With what is this on top?
I wasn't a fan of the raw cassava yesterday.
Look at that. Looks good. Looks like an egg.
Fresh cassava.
Hold on. Go ahead.
I'm gonna pull it off, but it's gonna get dirty.
It's good.
There we go. Now we just peel the outside.
Eat it.
rinse
Eat it. This is tapioca,
Wow.
Tapioca.
which is the same thing as cassava.
It's the same thing as
I just
cassava.
learned that today. I thought tapioca was made from cassava.
So we got it dirty, but
It's okay.
that's all right. We'll just take it.
God made dirt.
chunk.
Just soil.
And dirt don't.
Hurt.
Woo.
Hey.
Wow, look at this.
Raw cassava, side of the road in the Kampung in
Yeah,
Malaysia.
your hands are a little
What
bit
could be
cleaner.
better?
Just grab that. The part that's
grab this?
not the bark. Yeah.
This whole thing.
Yeah. Grab it.
Wow, it's
take
so
a chunk
clean
first.
inside. Wow,
We'll
look
eat a
at
little
that.
bit of dirt today, but
That's
usually we
okay.
have some water, right? I got it.
Well, you can bite it.
Oh,
Like a carrot.
try it.
Not bad. Manageable. I wouldn't say it's very good.
Get it boiled, but you can eat it like that.
How does it taste? It's like carrot?
Chalky.
Chalky.
Very chalky. Whoa.
Like,
Yeah, the more you bite it, the more it comes like a powder. It
Is
tastes
it
all
good?
the saliva out of your mouth. Mouth is dry. Good. Manageable. There you have it, guys.
and you swallow it. You don't spit it out.
Yeah, eat it.
Oh, okay.
Good for you.
In Malaysia, you eat it raw or cook?
No, we cook it.
Cook it.
Boil much better. Boil better. But on the bench, you're driving, you're riding a bicycle, and then
Wow.
there's
Absolutely.
water, everything.
Side of the road, boom, snack.
Nice.
Oh, Ivana wants to try. She's curious.
Actually, don't mind it.
Really? Will you finish the whole piece?
Maybe not the whole thing.
Oh, yeah?
Chris is not afraid. Chris used to make root beer in Africa. He's a real man's man, you know?
I think I will actually make it a rinse off first.
Fair enough. Clean the dirt off. There you have it, guys. So, Ivana, what do you say? Thumbs up? There it is. Thumbs up.
Good. I like it.
All right.
Oh, look. Assam. Tamarind.
Try it. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
I don't think you can.
Eat it.
I think you need. This one is still young. Let me see. Yeah, I think this one is still young. Very sour.
These Kampung days are best days. Kampung life, best life.
Want to try?
Is it edible?
I don't think so. But this one is cooked, and they said you must serve it with a little bit of shredded coconut and sambal bilis, which is anchovies.
Anchovy sambal. Not for me. Woo.
To be honest, I'm nervous to try this one. I don't mind fish though, but I am nervous to try this. Whew. Okay, let's try.
Sambal bilis.
The sambal is overpowering the whole thing.
I would have guessed that.
But cassava is good by itself. You know what? In Indonesia, we just deep fried the cassava, and it's just so good. So
Yes,
you
that
should
is
just
good.
deep fry it.
Yes, deep fried cassava is the way to go.
And it's kind of like crunchy, but also soft. Really, really good. Next one, it's also cassava with some coconut.
This one is nice, Ivana. This is a treat.
I don't know how this one is different than the other one.
Somehow it is.
Oh.
The way they prepared it is different. It's a kind of jelly.
They made this one into a kuih,
Right.
kind of like bubble tea kuih,
Right.
because it's tapioca. This is good. Okay. I don't know how to explain this one.
It's
like a kuih.
It has a kuih. There's a certain texture to kuih. That one has that texture. That squishy kind of gelatin. I don't know what the word is, but it's just that kind of kuih.
And I'm pretty sure I made this one because it's cricket.
Small part, big part.
Well, I'm sure it'll taste good.
Yeah, that one's nice too. That's a treat.
And they put sugar on top. Powdered sugar. Let's try. My favorite one.
So nice.
You know what? This deep fried. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full.
What's your manners, Ivana? No, just kidding.
This is deep fried, but it's not oily. Like it tastes like it's baked or something. It's good.
Right. There you have it, guys. So, what's your standout favorite in terms of just potatoes?
My favorite badak.
For me,
Potato
this one.
badak.
For me, orange.
The orange potato.
Yeah, my favorite.
Mine is
And
badak
then
potato.
favorite treat for me, I'll go the donuts.
Yeah, donuts definitely.
Although the fried chips were pretty special too.
I like the donuts.
There you have it, guys.
But the badak is special. I've never tried this one before. So good. Rhinoceros because it's big. You should have seen it raw.
True fact. So, special thanks to Ivana for saving this video. What was I saying? Nothing. Ivana's got all the good words, good vocab for food. So, there you have it, guys. Those are the 6 potatoes we found in about 5 minutes of looking. They were all available at one stall.
That's right. It's the monsoon season.
Right.
So the potatoes now start to
Harvest.
harvest.
Get
Yes,
harvested.
That's the word.
We were wondering, why are there so many potatoes? And they're like, oh, they're just harvesting them all. And we were like, potato party. And everybody thought we were kind of crazy. Like, you want to buy what? A bunch of potatoes and eat them? Yeah.
Yeah, it's similar to Canada. When the weather starts to get cold, people eat more potato because it just makes you feel warm and cozy.
Hearty food,
and
isn't
these
it?
make us feel so cozy.
Wow, make us feel like we're back at home. Good job, Ivana. You really saved this video. All I had was, not bad, it's okay. You really came through in the clutch. There you have it, guys. Potato party. You know what I'm thinking of? I'm remembering the roti party with Ken Abroad. Special shout out to Ken Abroad. No roti today, just potatoes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Anything you want to add about potatoes?
Full.
I'm so full. I had like a couple of pieces of each, and I'm like,
yeah.
potato.
It's because earlier we had that chalup tapong lunch by the beach.
Wow.
Which was so beautiful, and now we're eating ubi. Ubi makes you,
Yep.
it's like filling.
Good
It's
food
like
for
heavy.
lunch, followed up by a
Heavy
potato party.
snacks. Heavy tea time, which we don't really have in Canada. We don't really have tea time, but they do in Malaysia.
Tea time must be British thing that Malaysia got from the British.
Maybe.
We had a potato party in monsoon season for tea time. What could be better than that? There you have it, guys. Okay, see you on the next one.
All right, guys.
Maybe it'll be a
I don't know what kind of party.
some kind of party.
You guys can suggest us any type of fruits or food or
Good work,
whatever
Ivana.
else.
Good work. Let us
Party
know
that
what
we can
kind
have.
of. We're thinking bananas. There's got to be 5 or 10 kinds of bananas we can get. Anyway, let us know in the comments what party you'd like to see us do next. Later.
Love you.